if you like this bag and want to make your own, you can find the pattern for ultimate carry-all bag in my quiltessaNatalie.com store. Also in my Etsy shop, Quiltessence. You can also find supply kit, which does not contain the fabric. That's your own choice. You can take any fabric you want, but I will provide fusible interfacing, ironing pad, mesh fabric, twill tape, elastic, snaps, zippers, webbing, all you need for these vinyl badges, and also matching colors of vinyl bags. Depends on the color you choose. You can simply choose just dark or light color, so I can just put whatever I have, or if you have something particular, if it's available. It's not always available, but I'm trying to keep them. So just place your order for the kit. Just remember, you need about a yard and a little more. Technically it's 38 inches, but if you use you can use different binding. 1 yard of fabric would be enough. I like using batiks for the binding, which makes really nice finish with the bags. So again, it's Ultimate Carry-All Bag by Natalie Quiltessa. You can find more videos on my YouTube channel, QuiltessaNatalie. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new project. Bye.